Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to finish the round handler for this kit. I tried to finish it off screen, so now I know how to make it. Okay, so first off, go enable Kojima just for now, and create a new frame called called abilities. And then resize it to be on top of the thing. Wait. To be on top of this. This big. So plug in. Unit. Scale. As UI aspect ratio, so it can be the same size in the other screens. Okay, so add a image button. Resize whatever you want. So we're gonna get the same thing over here, but without the gradient. Maybe make this more rounder. It's your personal preference. Yeah, this big is good. Call this ability 1. Add a text label under it. Remove the transparency. This. Scale it up. Change the color to be white and show this stroke. Yeah, like this. And call it template for now. You can change the font. I'm gonna change it to my personal preference. You can change it whatever you want. Call this ability name. And the cooldown we're gonna handle is like it's gonna become black, and gradually over time it's gonna go to white. Okay, so copy it and then put it over here and name this ability number 2. So now deactivate this, make it invisible, and make Core GUI disabled. Okay, so first thing first, this is a fun no. Add a handler script over here. Call this handler. So local UI equals script.parent and the info game equal GUI wait for child info game. If I'm going really quick because I want to finish this very soon because I have exams. Okay, so local game status equal GUI workspace dot game status wait for child. Actually do this to make this game status, and then info dot let's make local function format timer, and then we gotta get the thing. So local minutes equal metafloor then divided by 16 and local second like that, and return the format. So this is gonna get this and this is gonna get the seconds. Okay, so let's do info game text equal 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 to game status dot status dot value dot array separate, so it's gonna be much nicer. And then format timer to game status dot timer dot value. And go over here to run handler and remove the thing, right? Remove the print so we don't have to see how much the time is there. Let me just deactivate this. Okay, so let's see if this works. Intermission starts. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it does say round start again 2.08. Since we're not making a loop, I'm gonna show how to make it do a loop. Instead of don't try like while through, because it's gonna make your PC very laggy. So to make it much smoother, go to handler. Over here, game status status dot change connect function, and then we're gonna get the value. Now do the same thing like this, and do game status dot timer dot change connect function value, and same thing. So it will always change, and put it down here. Okay, so that's done. So now let's make the round thing. So for now, remove this. Actually, keep it in here. So to get the highest like killer, I think we made it. Yeah, get highest evilness. Instead, let's get the local player equals now, just for now. So player, okay, so player equal player. Instead of returning the highest, let's return the player. So over here you can do local killer player equal and get the highest. It's gonna return a player. So after that, let's get the random map equal get random map. Over here, I think, yeah, it's gonna return a random map. Then we're gonna clone it. Random map dot parent equals workspace. Yeah. And then after that, what else should we do? Get killer. No. So now we can do this. I get that and do that. Oh, and make the name to random dot name equal current map. So over here we can do if player equal to killer player, then we can do this. else spawn with rig player then false. So each one will get the thing. And over here we can do rs.remotes.round. Wait, go over here, replica storage remotes, and make a new remote event. Call it round event. So round event fire fire client player, and then over here you can do select deck, so we can select which deck we're gonna code the deck, don't worry. I think we set it up over here. Yeah, we did. So over here, description, go down. Okay, so now after that, so for actually do it over here. First off, let's create two new helpers. Over here, make a new thing called local function, TP to spawn, and then we gotta get the character. So local human root part equals character wait for child humanoid root part. So you can do if humanoid root part. Let's actually need this to keep it with map spawn, and over here let's make current map equal workspace wait for a current map. So if there's a humanoid root part and a current map, we can do how do we set up the map? Yeah, so like this. So current, and just make a boolean too, if it's a killer or not. Yeah, just make it a boolean over here, make it a mob, and make it a car, and over here mob. Okay, so now wait. No. Okay, so we can do like local spawns equal is killer, and we're gonna get the current map dot killer spawns get children, else we're gonna do current map dot survivor survivor spawns get children. So now let's get the random spawn. So yeah, so spawn look equals, yeah, like that. Yeah, the spawn. So let me explain what this does. So it's get if it's a killer, it's gonna go through this folder like any killer spawn, and if it's not, it's gonna go over this folder, the survivor spawn. After that, it's gonna get the random spawn. Basically, mass are random, 1 to that many. So yeah. Okay, so I think that's it. Yeah. Over here we can do a TP player dot character, and then over here true. TP to map player dot character, then false. So yeah, and then we can do over here. We can do the same thing over here. Where is it? So while game status if status dot timer dot value is greater or equal than 1, do that. Yeah. After it reaches 0, like it's lower than 1, then we can do current map by random map destroy, and for I player and I pairs players get players do player look character, and then we're gonna do the same thing. So let's set the timer over here, like after we did all this. So the game status dot timer dot value, go all the way up here, make local game, actually local intermission time equal, let's say 10, 15 or something. Now round time equals 360. So we can change the start intermission. Instead of 10, we can do it to intermission time. And over here we can do equal round time. Basically what we did is gonna get the height player TP to is gonna TP to the random map we made over here, one of those, and then it's gonna rename it to current map, and it's gonna go through all the players, and then if it's a killer, it's gonna spawn into the spawn killer and the killer rig, else it's gonna just get the civilian in the survivor spawn and fix the camera. Okay, so we should try it out. Before we try it out, let's fix the killer geo. Let's make another command and code them in. So make this visible over here. Load it. Let's name this timer frame over here. I think we already coded, yeah, we already coded the kick. So let's code the timer. Change this to set timer. It must be a number. And then over here, text label, make it to set timer. And go over here. Change it to command. Command event. Do the same thing over here, and rename the remote event, kick event, to command event, and into the commands, remove from the folder and name it command. So we could do something like this with command event. So over here we can do over here command event, we change it, and over here instead of ignoring what it says over here, we can do target. If not target, then just do stuff. Actually, we should remove this. So and add a new parameter between them, event type. If player is found no. So let's just put it down here, ignore the error. So if event type equal kick, then we can do this. Else if event type equal timer, then we can do if target, then return, and put over here if not, and add another one on top of there. After that we can do like game actual workspace dot game status dot timer dot value equals the target, and then we'll go back to the local script and add a check and a colon, and same here, timer and over that. So basically if you want to add more commands, just put it like this, so we can try it out if it works. Let's make this invisible. Okay, let's try it out. Right? I think we already made this, didn't we? Yeah, we did this. As always, you can watch the other video how we made the GUI. So we'll play it over here. Let's try it out. As you can see, it changed the timer. So let's do something like this. Then I found. We will fix that soon, but let's see if it will work. Start. As you can see, we get TP to the thing. Yes, it does change. I'm gonna show you. How to make it like. Wait. I'm sure how to make the custom rigs and select it as deck. So for now, let's fix the command bug. So we should fix this. Oh yeah, over here, I know why it doesn't work. Because we did this. Wait, yeah, over here we did this. Remove that. No number enter. Okay, so now we should make the now we should make like a test rig spawn in. So over here, go to the round handler, and then wait. Yeah, on top of here, make it so local. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, change this to walkthrough, like the same thing over here. Yeah, and change it to be round ending and stuff. Round ending in that amount of time. So over here we can do like local function on test rig to for I equal for I equals this minus 1. I think that's how we made it. Wait. Oh yeah. So let's make it like spawn 5 just for now. New test rig equal rs dot character dot civilian clone. New test rig dot name equal test civilian dot I. Now new test rig dot parent equal to workspace dot players in round dot survival. think we did like template. Yeah, I already did that. Okay, so now wait, put this on top of here. So new time rig dot humanoid dot die once, so it doesn't run infinitely. We can do like that. Basically, we can wait how much of time that the respawn time did, and we can do like up the timer. Yeah, we can do that. Over here we can do plus 10. Let's do it like plus 35 seconds, and we can do it same over here. This spawn with the rig inside of this. So if not is killer, then template dot humanoid dot died once function, and then we can do the same thing, like adds 35. So we should wait. I forgot to TP them. Make sure to TP them, like TP respawn new test rate info of another killer. Okay, so now we should try it out. Okay, so it's beginning. No errors, I hope. Yeah, no errors. This should spawn in. I will fix that, so let's see if this works. Yeah, it does. Does it handle the round timer? Yes, it does. Let's try Harkin. Equip. If it doesn't equip, I think I know why it's not equipped. Yeah, I know why. Okay, so okay, so I think the reason why it's not TPing because wait, get it back. Okay, I know why the reason it doesn't spawn in, because I forgot to make spawn rig. Yeah, spawn test rig. Yeah, I forgot to do that. Okay, so now let's try to make the well, actually, let's make a new command called like set character, either killer or a survivor. So over here, UI, load it. Let's name it character frame. So over here, let's rename this to set character. Make this no, not smaller. Make them 2 over here. And over here, like select the player name. One is killer button, and one is survivor button. I'm gonna change it to be one green, one red. Yeah. One is survivor, one is killer. Killer button equal frame wait for child. Survivor button. Same thing over here. Wait, actually, let's get the cake. Not the whole cake, so just this. This is just this portion. Changes this to character and add a new argument called type killer. So over here, commands, else if, event type equal set character, then if not target or not argument 2, then you return end. So we add a new argument of 2 right in the mind. Yeah. So we add a new argument. For now, let's get the round handler stuff over here. So all this. Should we make it a mod script? Yeah, we should. So I figured out how to make stuff very smoothly. Big handler over here. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, over here. Let me get all this. Go into the rig handler. Go on top of this. Yeah. So we can do over here. If the hold on. So over here. Rig handler. The rig. Yeah, over here we can do. We can fix the camera, and if not killer, we can do fire event, another event, and then select deck. So we can try the deck over here. So we can do in the round handler over here, go all the way up over here. Modules, request storage, wait for child, modules. So local rig handler require modules wait for child rig handler. So now we can do instead of that we can do this the rig handler spawn with the rig player, and then over here group. Same thing over here. false. I'm gonna move both of these. Move this. No error, yeah. It's basically gonna do the same, but we made it a module script to make it like accessible everywhere. So over here we can do in the commands. So round handler, rig, actually commands. Yeah, over here. I copy this. Name it to rig handler, and same as this. So at rig handler, spawn player, an argument too. So basically, if it's true or false, actually, let's make it like argument 2 equal killer. Then we're gonna do true or false. Let's not the killer. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, let's try it out. So here's the timer to get the player name. Let's turn survivor. Is there any error? No. So why can't I? So does it work? Is the module bugged or not? Let's see. There it is. Oh yeah, I know why. So here, disable this and make in the server storage a folder called modules, and bring the rig handler over here. So instead of that, we can do game get service. Actually, it says here local equal game get service server storage. So yeah, same as here, local server storage equal game get service server storage. Now I think it's gonna work. I think. First off, let's fix this. So game, the server script, start, yeah. I think now it's gonna work. Let's see. Hi, Ilyes, what's up, 7, that's my username. Oh, any error? No, there's not. Yeah, it works. I think for today's video, like we are gonna finish all this, like the Haran handler and the select deck and all of that stuff. But after that, that's it. The next part, I think I'm gonna do like uh, the abilities working, special round, and all that stuff. So we can do instead. So I know why, because of this. We can just do argument 2. And remove that. And over the GUI. Over GUI. So yeah, over here false, and over here true. The timer will handle and over here. Wait, got to set the name. Why won't it work? Wait a minute. Okay, so I took a very long nap, as you can see. So to fix this, I'm just do this, like get the code from the rig handler. Let's do a port over everything over here. Okay, so now over here do spawn with dummy layer, and then over here we can do, actually we can do like over here target. And we are going to, this is either true or false, so let's choose true. Okay, so let's see if this works. Press F7. I guess it just doesn't work. I'm gonna try to go around it, basically like stuff. First off, I want to see what's the difference. Wait a minute. I am so done. I forgot to set this to set character instead of character. So dumb. And it said to work now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, enter. Look what's up done. I just realized I wasn't recording. Oh. So basically what we did is we made it so you can select the thing, and we fixed the command stuff and the select deck. I really don't know why I did it to record, oh my god. Because this is how long it is. Okay, so if you by the way, so I added 2 more, it's not that important. So basically add a attribute called image and with the texture ID. Okay, so now we should add a I think a UGC, yeah. So if you want to have like a UGC stuff in your character, Here's how to do it. Block. Let's get the punch. Punch. That. Actually, gloves. Shirt. Oh, let's just get a cowboy hat. Yeah, over here we can do cowboy hat. Medic hat. I'm not sure how to make a children like a hover and heel. Let me just make this a union. Huh. Check if it works. I'm gonna just put it in here. No. Have to be a UGC by the way. I'm just making for the revolver, that's it. So if the thing have a UGC in it, you can do like over here. If ability to fast result, first result, which is a accessory. I think fine. Let's just remove this. What should I accessory low? UGC equal this. UGC equal the parent player dot character. You can do the same thing for the ability too. let's see. Yeah, we got that. So good. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make the ability appear on the frame. So go to the core UI. Actually, yeah. So if no, actually we can do over here. And then over here we can do like replicated. No. What do you want now? For UI the abilities. Template clone. Let's go over here for ability 1 ability dot name equal random ability dot name. Dot image, yeah, dot image equal to this. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing over here. 2, 2, 2. Image 1. So over here we can do something like
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Oh!
over here, survivor. Big bump top, big bump top. So does it even copy? No. Get back. See? I see. Yeah, as you can see, it does copy. I'm not gonna show you how to make it work, but just for now, I'm gonna show you how to change the name, and that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. So over here, I just added stuff that I'm very stupid at. So we can do over here like ability dot one. Right over here, template dot ability name dot text equal to random ability.name. Dot ability name dot text equal random name. That's it. As always, you can go to Discord server for the get if you bought the supporter game pass, and all the scripts are available on the Discord server. That's it. Yeah, it does work. Anyway, so I hope you all like the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of Dire of Death. After I end this series, I'm gonna go make a Hello Bricks series. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye.